Welcome to the BodyMaitre Podcast, a space where we explore healing, self-discovery, and the wisdom of your four bodies, the spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical aspects of who you are. I'm your host, Darreck, and today we'll dive into one of the most popular manifestation teachings in the world, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, and explore how it connects deeply with the BodyMaitre system. If you've ever created a vision board, visualized your dream life, or practiced the law of attraction but still felt stuck, this episode is for you. The Secret popularized the law of attraction, the idea that your thoughts and emotions are magnets that attract experiences into your life. It teaches that to manifest, you must 1. Ask, clarify what you want. 2. Believe, trust that it's already yours. 3. Receive, feel as though it's already real. And to stay in alignment, you cultivate gratitude, love, and positive focus, because your emotions broadcast your vibration to the universe. Simple, right? Yet many people still find their vision boards collecting dust and their dreams out of reach. Why? That's where BodyMaitre helps you see what's happening beneath the surface. The law of attraction focuses on energy and vibration. BodyMaitre takes it a step deeper, identifying which part of you is aligned and which part isn't. Because even if your spiritual body is saying, yes, I'm ready to receive abundance, your mental body may doubt it, your emotional body may fear it, and your physical body may still act from lack. True manifestation happens when all four bodies are in harmony. Let me share a story of one of my clients. Let's call her Elaine. Elaine attended a workshop and created a beautiful vision board. Her board was filled with images of a new career, a loving relationship, travel, and financial freedom. She was inspired, focused, and ready to manifest. But after several months, she noticed not much had changed. She told me, "Darreck, I visualize every day, I believe in the secret, but it's not working. What am I missing?" So we used the BodyMaitre 4 Bodies chart to tune in. Here's what we discovered. Spiritual body. Her soul holding an imprint that abundance is possible for others, but not truly for herself. Deep down, she held a subconscious belief that I have to struggle to be worthy. This energetic imprint kept her vibration misaligned with ease and flow. Mental body. Her mind was constantly calculating how things could happen, worrying about timing, opportunities, and outcomes. Instead of trusting the universe, her mental energy was filled with overthinking, creating resistance. Emotional body. When we tuned into her emotional body, we uncovered an underlying feeling of chaos. She felt it in her daily life: constant busyness, unresolved family dynamics, workplace tension, and the emotional residue from past relationships. Inside, there was a storm of mixed emotions: frustration, confusion, hates, and pressure to hold everything together. Even though her vision board showed serenity, freedom, and joyful living, her emotional body was broadcasting the vibration of overwhelm and instability. In the energetic language of manifestation, chaos and clarity cannot coexist. When the emotional body is unsettled, the vibration it sends to the universe is fragmented. One part says, "I want peace and abundance," while another part vibrates, "I'm drowning in stress and uncertainty." As a result, the universe simply mirrors that confusion back, creating inconsistent or delayed manifestations. Her vision board became more of a wish for escape from chaos rather than a clear magnet for new possibilities. Through the BodyMaitre clearing process, we helped her emotional body release those layers of chaos, transforming them into calm, trust, and emotional safety. Once her inner world felt harmonious, her vision board finally became a true reflection of peace and alignment. And that's when the outer results started to appear. Physical body. Even though she had affirmations on her vision board, her physical habits didn't match her goals. She was overworking, skipping rest, and not nurturing her body. signaling to the universe that she was still in survival mode, not abundance mode. Once Elaine became aware of these 4 bodies' misalignments, we began clearing them through BodyMaitre techniques, releasing outdated beliefs, forgiving old emotional memories, and reprogramming her physical and mental habits to match her desired vibration. We then rebuilt her vision board, this time not from wishful thinking, but from embodied alignment. 3 months later, she reported receiving unexpected work opportunities and feeling more peaceful and confident in her daily life. Her external results began to mirror her internal harmony. So, when you look at your own vision board, ask yourself, does every part of me feel aligned with this image? Is there any fear, doubt, or guilt that resists receiving it? What is my emotional body broadcasting? Excitement or worry? Your 4 bodies are like a team. When one is out of sync, the energy of attraction becomes fragmented. When they work together, the universe responds effortlessly. Remember, the secret teaches us that thoughts become things, but BodyMaitre helps you discover which thoughts, emotions, and energies are actually shaping your reality, moment by moment. Your 4 bodies are your creative instruments. Tune them with awareness, gratitude, and love, and you'll become a conscious creator of your world. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the BodyMaitre Podcast. If you'd like to explore your own 4 bodies alignment or vision board blocks, visit BodyMaitre.com to learn more about the course and resources. Until next time, stay aligned, stay present, and keep creating with love.